today at 3 p.m. I'm dropping this a little late. I'm just trying something a little different. We're going to be talking about starting a business that works for you. Now, what do I mean by that? One of the things that you will see is you'll see something on YouTube or you'll see something on Instagram or TikTok. You'll see a business model and you'll try it, and it's just absolutely terrible for you. It just doesn't work out. And one of the reasons it doesn't work out is because you're not building a business that works for you because it's not based upon your personality traits, not based upon who you are as a person. So what I'm going to do every day at 3 p.m., I'm going to do free training, and this is how it works. For the free training, you can go ahead, show up, you get the training. And for those of you who want to save episodes, because each episode will be recorded, then you will literally have to pay that. It's $150 right now. End of the week, it's going to go up to $300 because there'll be training there. Because right now, there's nothing there. But if you start a business that's in line with who you are as a person, in alignment with who you are, and your hobbies, the things you like to do, it's just going to be much better. I have been writing books, creating online courses, and YouTube videos since 2009. That's not an accident. So the link's below for you to show up at the training, because essentially what I'm doing is I want to see who's going to come here. This is why I'm dropping it so late. It's not early. And the link is, so we'll have the first training today. And it's called a Startup Lab, the things you need to do for you to go ahead and create a business that's in alignment with who you are as a person. The link's below.